I have more than 8 years experience on freelancing different services like funnel building. Here's some example of my funnel. As you can see here, I have a skills on copywriting too, on graphic design, of course media buying because I'm running ads for this funnel, and I have 5 years experience using GHL. As you can see here on my landing page, this is made by GHL also. Actually, this is funnel. This is a landing page but a funnel for my lead magnet, which is this ebook. This ebook contains at least 90 pages if you download it. It talks about marketing and stuff and how to grow your social media, how to reach your leads organically using digital marketing strategy specifically tailored for your business that triggers emotional response. And this landing page, if I refresh it, as you can see, this have a form that will pop up like that for you to download that ebook or my lead magnet. Once you enter your details here, like your email and your first name, you will be added automatically on my email list, which is I can access here on JHL. You will be added on my contact list like this. So I can easily automate my retargeting emails or upsell to that email list like this. Like this. As you can see, this is fully automated. And this email is a well-crafted email. Have my services, JF in designs and whatnot, and we have a waiting period. After that, I'm using a segregation CRM also, so I can segregate the lead, who downloaded the book, who booked a call, who are closed the call, thinking about it and did not show up. So I can easily automate a email sequence that's specifically tailored for each scenario. So I can strategize it. If you want to download my free ebook, you can access it all on my portfolio. If you want to experience my automated email sequence, download that book, this book. As you can see, this is a agency that I run ads. When someone click that ads, they will be redirected here on this landing page or lead magnet. All that who click my ads is interested in my free book that pushes them to book a call. If you see here. As you can see, I own a agency, but if I apply to you or on your job post, it means you're seeing this video. There's a big chance that I will work personally to you because I like your job offer and I really want to help you. As you can see here on my portfolio, I am knowledgeable in video editing too. I have a 1.5 hour video editing Tagalog version on Premiere Pro. It's a course. I know how to graphic design and website design too. As you can see here. So in short, I am your one-man army. I just want to add that I am a follower of Christ too. I really want to share it to you. I have a Patreon that I teach Jesus teaching, that is knowledge. I have a lot of teaching content here that I shoot. I personally write my script. I personally edit it and create my own thumbnail too. You can see here my thumbnail creation, my design on my thumbnail, and my video editing skills. I do this on my own. Of course, on my own with the Holy Spirit. So yeah, I think that's all you want to know or you need to know about me. And yeah, I'm really excited to talk about your business and I'm really looking forward to meet you or just email me or message me on any social media platform.